Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court update today, July 18th, 2025. Today's court session is very, very important because the judge will listen to arguments from both the federal government and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, and then the court will now decide. And from the looks of things, Nnamdi Kanu may be released. If the no case submission is accepted, then the case will come to an end. But if it is rejected, then the trial will continue and Nnamdi Kanu's legal team will begin their defense. Many of Biafrans and IPOB members are hoping that the court will dismiss all the charges levied against him by the federal government today, and hopefully they will release him. So let's keep praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are also pointing to a Kenyan court judgment which declared Nnamdi Kanu's 2021 arrest and transfer from Kenya to Nigeria, that it was an illegal transfer and it was against international law. So all eyes are on the judiciary today. All eyes are on the court today. Everybody just they look the federal government. This could be a turning point for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's long-running legal battle. We are praying for victory for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hopefully, this kangaroo trial will come to an end. You see, there is tight security in court today because the court approved only 10 attendees. Even the press are being restricted. Even journalists and some members of the public were banned from attending today's trial. And this move has raised concerns over the transparency and press freedom in handling this Nnamdi Kanu's case. We heard that Omoyole Sowore was bad. Yes, my country people, we heard that Omoyole Sowore was banned from having access to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial today. They barred Omoyole Sowore from having access to the court. So all these things is coming as, a lawmaker had talked about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release and what Tinubu should do concerning this.
Hey, Prince.
Good.
Can't see the face, so...
How are you? You take care. You're joking. I do police
Onye ndu.
Your faith has been blessed.
Prince, come on, make a call.
Okay. Okay.
We get it.
Go ahead.
You get us.
Sorry.
I love you, brother.
Okay.
Say a picture of where
Don't worry.
he said
Okay.
Meanwhile, Dr. Chris Ngigi also called on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to demonstrate leadership and release Nnamdi Kanu to uphold justice.
Bishop Onoha, Godio was Vicar of Aki Kenga, he was the president, and myself. And we went and discussed. That was how these leaders were given access to Nnamdi Kanu. And I prodded him to release Nnamdi Kanu, but because it's a political solution that is needed there.
You think he failed in that regard?
Well, he didn't do it,
before he leaving office?
but he said it was a difficult request because the matter is in the judiciary. But if the matter is in the judiciary, there's what the Constitution have said. As president, you can go under prerogative of mercy and apply it. You can ask the Attorney General to do a nolle prosequi.
Okay.
These are things that are right. And now the Kenyan court has said that even the repatriation is illegal. So I'm calling on President Bola Tinubu to exercise his rights as per the Constitution and solve that matter. We are leaders in the Southeast. We can guarantee him. We can take Nnamdi Kanu on guarantorship so that he can be released, so that our people will now have peace. So that when anybody is doing ESN or doing IPOB of closed down on Monday, closed down on court day, we would then know that that person is a bandit. That what he's doing is banditry, terrorism, or even robbery.
If you were unable to convince President Buhari, who was your close friend,
Yes.
and with whom you worked for 8 years,
Yes.
how do you think you'd be able to convince?
Bola Tinubu, president, is also my friend. We have come a long way. We've come a long way. From AC. In fact, from 2003, when I was governor. I had known him when he was a senator.
And you're still close till this moment.
I'm friend, but I'm not a part of the government, so I don't go to Villa.
Why is that so?
No, I'm doing other things.
Well,
I've
you
been
still
abroad.
have
I just
shared
came
a
back.
relationship with him.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm advising him that this is where my former boss failed, for reasons best known to him. You know, he's a soldier. So if this present president does that, he will have some good marks from the South.